To all of you family court service users and litigants in person out there, you don't need family court lawyers in the family court. And there is one question that you need to ask them before running away, saving potentially tens of thousands of pounds. But before I share that killer question with you, I simply must run my excellent introduction. I am Philip Kedge, director of the amazing McKenzie Friend UK network and fearless family court vlogger, where in all of my vlogs, my views and opinions are, of course, entirely my own. Now, did you know that we have just launched our 100% free family court resource library? Everything you need to know about the family court in one place. To access this one-stop shop for all of your family court needs, just go to www.contactphil.co.uk and click on the Family Court Library link. We are helping you to escape from the hands of rip-off family lawyers. So back to this explosive feature and that one question to ask your all too often sick in the head family court lawyer before ditching them. Well, here it is. Can you get me what I want? Now, on asking that one question, they can only reply in one of two ways. Firstly, if they say, well, yes, we can get you what you want, or close to what you want, but it's perhaps going to be a difficult and challenging journey, then simply run away, because what that lawyer already knows, as I would know if you had a case review with myself, is what your likely direction of travel through the court is going to be, irrespective of having a lawyer or not. And knowing that a lawyer cannot change that. You see, lawyers cannot get you what you want, and there is no advantage to having a lawyer. The family court simply doesn't work in that way. However, if your lawyer replies and says something like, well, we certainly can't predict an outcome and we can't necessarily get you what you want, but we will certainly fight for you, and then applies emotional pressure by saying something like, and you've got to fight for your children, and we will be your team to help you, then again get up and simply run away. You see, the all too often sick in the head family lawyer already knows, as I would, with my 12 years of experience in the family court, that you are not going to get what you want, and they can't get you what you want. But under your instruction will happily fight for you, fleecing you out of tens of thousands of pounds for the privilege. I say that kind of behaviour from family lawyers is abhorrent, pitting parents against each other in conflict, with children caught in the middle being harmed. It really is a very sick profession that needs putting down and removing from our family courts. Ladies and gentlemen, let me be very clear. It is an irrebuttable truth that you don't need to pay for family lawyers in the family court. Again, there is no advantage to having a lawyer, and they can't get you what you want. Well, over 50% of people going through the family court understand that and don't have lawyers, and are instead turning to the McKenzie Friend UK network to find a trained, trusted and vetted McKenzie Friend to support them through the process as lay people, as informed friends, at a fraction of the cost of totally unnecessary rip-off family lawyers. We want to save you and your bank account from these pointless family court lawyers who I see all too often, keeping people traumatised, anxious, scared, disempowered and fearful. Family lawyers who I see routinely engage in thousands of pounds of totally unnecessary work, and family lawyers who I observe stirring the pot of acrimony and hate, throwing fuel on the fire of conflict for their own financial gain, It is an absolute disgrace, and it's time to speak out. At the McKenzie Friend UK network, I estimate that we have already saved our clients over £30 million in obscene legal fees by removing them from the hands of these lawyers. How brilliant is that? That's me done, folks, and for all of your family court needs, contact me today at www.contactphil.co.uk. And as always, stay strong.